Smart Lock Installation Guide. 1. Accessories List. Front lock assembly, rear lock assembly, front lock rubber sleeve, rear lock rubber sleeve, lock body fixing screws, cylinder or cylinder screws, keys, key cards, connecting sleeve, bamboo joint screws, square drive rod, batteries. 2. Adjust lock latch direction. Skip this step if no reversal is needed. First, push the clutch down. Turn the latch exactly half a rotation 180. Firmly push the lock latch into the lock body until it clicks. The latch should spring back automatically, confirming successful reversal. Critical: position the latch facing upward before installation. Insert the lock body into the door frame slot, aligning all screw holes. Fasten with lock body fixing screws. 3. Front lock pre-installation setup. Screw the connecting sleeve onto the mounting post of the front lock liner plate. Use pliers to tighten securely. Align the rubber sleeve with the mounting holes on the front lock. Route power cable through rubber sleeve and secure to liner plate. Slide open the display screen on the rear lock. Unscrew and remove the rear lock fixing screws, then detach the liner plate. Install the rear rubber sleeve onto the liner plate and press firmly to secure. 4. Accessory trimming and installation. Insert the cylinder from the outside of the door through the lock body's hourglass-shaped slot, with the keyhole facing outward. Use the key to rotate the cylinder and check if the latch retracts and springs back smoothly. If functioning properly, hold the cylinder in place and secure it with the cylinder fixing screws. Mark the cylinder cam at 1.8 cm to 0.0 cm from the door surface. Trim the excess length with a cutting tool. Insert the shorter end of the square rod into the indoor lock body's square slot. Mark the rod at 2.0 cm 3.0 cm protruding from the door surface. Trim the excess length with a cutting tool. Place the bamboo joint screw into the rear lock screw hole. Align with the door frame and measure whether the bamboo joint screws align with the front lock's connecting sleeve. If the screw protrudes beyond the door frame, mark it for trimming. The lower end of the rear lock's safety strip should also fit snugly against the door frame. Measure whether the safety strip is 1 cm shorter than the door frame. If it is too long, trim off the excess portion. 5. Smart lock assembly. Install front lock, routing the power cable from the outside to the inside of the door. Align the front lock's cylinder hole with the installed cylinder, then press the panel flush against the door surface. Pass the power cable through the rear lock liner plate and ensure the rubber sleeve is tightly adhered to the door. Insert the pre-trimmed bamboo joint screw into the connecting sleeve and tighten partially left slight play for adjustment. Ensure the front lock, liner plate, and door edges are parallel. Cylinder position, insert the key to verify it is centered. Square rod, cylinder cam, and safety bar slot must be centered in the rear liner's circle. Fully tighten the top and bottom bamboo screws. Connect the front and rear lock power cables. Tuck excess cables inside the door to prevent damage. Align the square rod, cylinder cam, and safety bar slot, then snap the panels together. Rotate the rear handle to test smooth locking or unlocking. Tighten the rear lock fixing screws. Insert batteries match polarity and close the battery cover. Press and hold unlock plus lock for 3-5 seconds until prompted. Press to factory confirm reset. Installation complete. 6. Self-test and acceptance. Initial state: before registering users, any face, fingerprint, password, or card can unlock the door.